When the first hurricane came in, there was a lot of discussion leading up to the storm on whether or not we would evacuate. We have 2 young children. We have a child with special needs. We decided to stay home and ride out that first storm. It flooded our home. It damaged both vehicles. And we're very quickly realizing we're not going to be able to get through this by ourselves. We're going to need help. And that was when I received a very simple text message checking in. Are you okay? Do you need help?
I remember that period vividly, and we had a lot of colleagues that were reaching out to us. I volunteer for the emergency management response team, and I just jumped right in.
Jonathan and a group of 7 other individuals took the time to come to my home, to our disaster, and they listened. They asked. They brought smiles. They brought laughter. And they restored a lot of new hope.
I noticed in the pile that there was a white dress, but I'm like, gosh, that looks an awful lot like a wedding dress.
And he asked, would you trust me to hold on to that dress for you until you are ready? At another point in time, someone came in the home and said, I found something shiny in the grass. Does this look familiar to you? So we've got a wedding dress. We have found an engagement ring. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And we had a special moment where Yuli didn't 100% know why we were getting together. It was sort of a touch base. And then I walked in and we presented her the restored dress. And that's truly probably one of the most memorable moments that I've ever had as a CEO. Yuli's story matters because we have 4,000 Yulis in our organization. Her story, my story, our story is about being there for each other, turning a storm into a sunny day again. That's what we're here to do.
To really feel that you matter. You matter to Empath. We're thankful. We're grateful.